the day I seen you. We caught up for a little while. You told me you were doing just fine, man. It was good to see you smile. Memories running through my head, feelings coming back, oh yeah. Yeah, and it hurts like hell. You're happy with someone else. I try to stay occupied, I try to put it all aside. I try and try and try and try, still it's no use. Don't know what's going on with me, but all I know it's haunting me. I need your love to set me free. Listen to me, oh baby. Please still think about me, baby, baby. Cause you're on my mind and it's driving me crazy, crazy. Are you finally over me? You can tell me the truth. Or do you still love me the way that I still love you? I know that I let love slip away, and I'm going insane, all because I want you back. I need you back. This is the biggest regret I'll ever have to face. Oh yeah, baby, cause you know your mind is driving me crazy, crazy. Yeah, are you finally over me? You can tell me the truth. Or do you still love me the way that I still love you?
Man, I wonder.
Na 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 na.
There's something special about this woman, man. For real.
Girl, there's something about you got me caught up and I just can't let go. What do you mean, move on? My body's in the zone and it just ain't easy to change. The way that I feel about you is very, very special. Never felt love like this before. I know I messed up and you wanna move on, but I feel you in my heart, so I'm wondering, is it your smile? Is it your touch? Is it your style? Is it just luck that I met you? Just can't give up the thought that we were meant to be. Is it your accent? Is it your cooking? Is it cause you're sweet and you're so good looking? Glad I met you, pretty lady from Brooklyn. Baby, you my recipe. She said, boy, you a trip to me. Picking up the phone and saying that I'm history. I said I made a mistake. She said I guess it's too late. I said what's done is done, but baby, can you give me a break? But you hurt me so bad and you did me so wrong, so wrong. I don't usually go back, but I'm loving this song. What have you done to me? Tell me what have you done? Is it your smile? Is it your touch? Is it your style? Is it just luck that I met you? Just can't give up the thought that we were meant to be. Is it your accent? Is it your cooking? Is it cause you're sweet and you're so good looking? Glad I met you, pretty lady from Brooklyn. Baby, you my recipe. Oh, you my recipe. Ain't no use to me messing around, no. I've gotta be with only you. Deep down in my soul I can feel that your love is true. I never will forget the first time I seen your face as I was making love to you. Your expressions made me feel like a king. That's why I gave you this to be